Hello and welcome to Shohini's Kitchen. So today's recipe is gobi Manchurian prepared in the restaurant style. To make this delicious appetizer, we will need 3 cups of cauliflower florets nicely washed and cleaned. Now we will coat the cauliflower florets in a batter and deep fry them. So for making the batter, we will need half cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornflour, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, some water, 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Now for making the thick gravy, we will need 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped celery, this is optional, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 2 to 3 green chillies finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of chopped green bell pepper and half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon red chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup and half tablespoon vinegar. We also need some finely chopped spring onions, some finely chopped coriander leaves, salt and sugar as per your taste, oil for cooking and frying. Now turn on the gas and place a thick bottomed pan on it. Now we will fill the pan with water and then add some salt to it, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Now we will use this water to blanch the cauliflower florets. We will drop the cauliflower florets in the water and let it boil for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Then we will drain the water through a strainer and collect the blanched cauliflower in it. So the blanched cauliflower is ready to be cooked. Now let's start making the batter. In a bowl, add half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup of cornflour. Then we will add half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt. Then give all the ingredients a good mix before adding water to it for making the batter. Now slowly add water to it and make a thick batter. Now mix all the ingredients together and make a thick batter. You need to add water gradually so that the batter does not become too watery. Keep mixing until the batter reaches this consistency. Now add the cauliflower florets to a bowl and pour the batter over them. Make sure to coat each of the florets with the batter, and then they will be ready for deep frying. Now heat a pan and add some oil to it, enough for deep frying the cauliflower florets. Slowly start adding the cauliflower florets to the oil. Fry in small batches and pick them up and place them on a paper towel once they are done. Now the cauliflower florets are fried and ready to go into the Manchurian gravy. If you want the gobi Manchurian to be crispy, then there is a little tip that I will be sharing shortly, so stay tuned. Now heat the wok and add some oil to it. I have added around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Next, add the minced garlic to the oil. Then add the chopped ginger. Fry them for a while. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped celery. This is an optional step, but celery gives an extra boost to the flavor of the Manchurian. Now time to add the green chillies. Add green chillies as per your requirement of the spice level. I have added 2 to 3 finely chopped green chillies. Now add the onions. I have added around 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onions. Saute all the ingredients together for some time. Now add some salt. Keep in mind that we are also going to add soy sauce, which has some salt content in it. Now add around 3 tablespoons of green bell peppers. Saute all of them together for a few seconds. Now I have added half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients together and saute for some time, and then we will add the sauces. So first I am adding a teaspoon of some homemade red chilli sauce. Then add a teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Then we will add half tablespoon of vinegar. Now add some sugar. I have added around 1 tablespoon of sugar gradually. Now time to add the soy sauce. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Let them cook together for some time, and then the gravy will be ready. Here comes the tip I was talking about. If you want the gobi Manchurian to be really crispy, then double fry the cauliflower florets. Now these florets have been fried once and they are going into the oil for the second time to come out crispier as ever. Even after being coated with the Manchurian gravy, they will remain crispy throughout, just like the ones we get in the restaurants. Now add the double fried cauliflower florets into the gravy and coat them very well with the gravy. Garnish with some finely chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Gobi Manchurian is ready. The delicious gobi Manchurian is ready to be served. Sprinkle some spring onions on top and enjoy the delicious appetizer with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Like, share and comment, and keep visiting my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching.